What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing a minimalist cover art for a song. This one is for people that don't need too much design or too much graphic content on their cover art. This one's for people that need something really minimal in nature. So let's start by creating a new layer, which I have my layer created here already. So basically for this tutorial I'll be using two colors, I guess, or three. I don't know, let's just see how it goes. So after this, then I'll pick my color. That's this one. Yep. So for this video we're going to be working more with gradients. So what I'll do, I'll use my pencil to just create something, something irregular, a random shape. Then I'll fill that in. Now I'll create another layer, change the color, create something else. I'll fill that one in, and now create my last layer, and then I'll probably just do something like this, and then sorry, my Photoshop was lagging there. I had no idea what happened, but still going to do it. So after this one I'll just fill that one in. No, not this color, yeah, this one. Now what I'll do, I'll start with the first layer which I made. I'll use the Gaussian blower. Normally I would do that for all three. You know what, let me just do it for all three of them. So let me use Gaussian blower. So I'll first convert it to a smart object, then I'll use the Gaussian blower. That didn't go as planned. Okay, so yeah, this one should do the trick. So yes, that is it. And then since I used purple initially, I'll create a new layer, then I'll select the color which I used, and I'll use my soft brush, and I'll try to make a really light stroke around the edge, and I'll do that for the other side of the, make sure it's really light, and the third, which is this one, make sure it's light. Now once that's done, I'll create another layer, and I think I'm going to do I'm going to make that one gray, I guess. Let's see how that works. Now take it under this one and I'll fill it in. Okay, but I still have to increase it a little, then towards the white. I want to make it white per se, or better still, I would give it a gradient. Before I do this, normally I like to create a different layer for this, so just in case I prefer the initial background color. So I'll select this color here, then select this spot, make it darker. See, how about this one? This doesn't look okay. Okay, I think I found what I'm looking for. Yes, this is what I'm looking for. And then the final step, that is to make the text, which will just be above this one. So I'll just let's see, what should I use for this one now? Okay, how about I use goodbye? Is that a good name? No, no goodbye. You know what? I'll say, or should I say, yeah, let me try this one. Goodbye. But this font doesn't look too light, does it? G, over here. Now duplicate this and bring this one down, and then I will okay. Oh, duplicate the O. This seems pretty big for the canvas, or maybe that's okay. And then duplicate it again. I just try to shift the letters. So yeah, this one, this is D. Then duplicate it again. B. Again, Ctrl J. Just so you know what my shortcut is, it's Ctrl J for duplicating in Photoshop. Y. Then another one. It should come down here. E. And then if you are doing this, you can just adjust it, play around with it, try to see which one works best for you. So I think this should be it. They should go, this is basically, this is it. There's nothing much. Then on the last I think one of the final things to do here, just so people don't get confused about the arts. So what I'll get that, duplicate that, Ctrl J, and then that's for duplicating. So after duplicating the E, I'll make the text smaller, a little smaller, and then alright, good. I think that's still big. I have to take it down. 6. Okay. And maybe I should change the color of this one so it will look more a little bit different. And make it white. Yeah, now this is where the white comes in. So I think this is good here. Then you duplicate that. If you want to put the artist's name or if you don't, then you could leave it like that, but I'll prefer to put the artist name around. I'll just make it small, like very tiny. Make it very, very tiny. Even if that's not noticeable, but kind of it's kind of blending in with that, because the up here is almost white, so I'll bring it down where it has more gray. So take this one higher and then bring this one down here, and then this should be the artist's name. And here I'll put what name would I use? Let me use, so I'll use Smith. I already have that here. I'll use Smith as the artist's name, so I'll just toggle that. We're done with this video. This is the end of the tutorial. So if you like my video, make sure you like this video, subscribe for more, obviously hit the bell icon so you get notified each time I post a new content about this. And yeah, this is just it. So I'll be making more of this content soon. Just make sure you stay up to date with my videos. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. I'll answer all of it. Thanks guys, bye.